Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by backing up your iPhone 5s to iCloud or to iTunes on a computer. Verify your backup finished before you proceed with troubleshooting steps. Next, check settings to see the current iOS version and update to the latest compatible release if available. Inspect the home button area visually for debris, moisture, or screen cracks that could block the sensor. Power cycle the phone by holding sleep and home until it reboots and watch if Touch ID responds afterward. Open Settings, then Touch ID and passcode to remove all registered fingerprints. Reboot the device and then re-add fingerprints using different angles and consistent finger placement. If Touch ID still fails, go to Settings and choose Reset, then reset all settings to restore defaults while keeping your data intact. Test Touch ID after resetting settings to see any improvement. If failures continue, back up and restore the iPhone from a fresh iTunes install to rule out software corruption. If software steps fail, the issue may be a faulty home button or sensor connection. Inspect the flex cable and connector for visible damage or corrosion before attempting any repair. Replacing the home button assembly can restore mechanics, but it will not restore secure Touch ID pairing once replaced. Self-repair risks voiding warranties and disabling fingerprint security, so consider a professional repair that preserves security pairing or seek an Apple service appointment. Compare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.